How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, I bought a bunch of crypto, bought about 21 or so stocks, and I also got some great stock picks for you guys today. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell. I'd really appreciate it. Hit the description below if you want to read about what this channel is all about and what I do here. Also, I have 4 affiliate links. If you would like any free stocks or free shares, hit those links, as well as social media platforms down in the description below if you'd like to follow me on social media, as I do post every day regarding stocks and cryptocurrency. So let's jump into it. The first stock pick I got for you guys is Tesla, TSLA. Man, at these prices, Tesla is, it's a steal. Long term, this thing's gonna skyrocket. It's a car company, a tech company, the most valuable car company in the world. Unbelievable technology. Elon Musk is a genius. You can't lose with Tesla, so of course this is a no-brainer here, especially at these current prices. Next, we got ticker BLD, Top Build. This here was picked solely based off of technical analysts off the charts. So go ahead and look at those charts, and you'll be sure to see what I see, and you'll see exactly why I recommended Top Builder. Next, we got COR, Coresight Realty. Another great chart here. These patterns are exploding. They're on a breakout. So you want to catch these before the run-up. You don't want to be chasing them. Another great chart pattern is ALNY, which is a pharmaceutical company. The previous two are REITs, or in the real estate sector. Real estate sector is going to do very well in 2021, as well as these pharmaceutical companies. Another one with great charts is ticker FIVN 59. Also great chart patterns. Unique pick I got for you today is TPL, Texas Pacific Land. Go look at their revenue, their gross margins, and you'll see exactly why I recommended this company here. Please do your own due diligence with any of these picks I brought for you guys. Don't just blindly buy because I recommend them. As you can see, I added all these to my watch list, so I will be purchasing all of these for long-term buys. Now we're going to get into the stocks that I bought today. Deposited $72 into the Cash App. Backdoored and put another $17 into the Cash App. We purchased $1 of Starbucks, ticker SBUX, in the Cash App account. Starbucks is a great dividend payer. Very, very profitable company. Very great dividend. I do own most of these stocks that I show you guys that I bought today. I do own them in other portfolios. I do have 20 different brokerages that I use. 21 actually. So I just purchased them here in the Cash App because I don't have them there. It is a very small position, but I'm a long-term investor, and like I said, I own Starbucks and a lot of other portfolios, and I will build up on this position. Right now the market's in the red, so I'm going to continue to add while it's in the red till we hit the floor. Then we purchased $2 of Abby, ticker ABBV. Very great company. We purchased $3 of iShares Select Dividend ETF. iShares is a great fund to buy your ETFs and index funds from. Love ETFs because of the diversification and the low volatility. This one here is going to focus on dividend income, so it's going to be great passive income here. Then we put $4 in Genuine Parts, ticker GPC. Put $5 in a Spider fund. Spider's a great fund. This is Spider Bloomberg Barclays High Yield Bond ETF. I love bonds. Super low fluctuation. And most of them pay a nice dividend yield. So it's basically like a savings account that should actually draw some interest from when you stick your money in bonds. So they're long-term holds. Safe place to keep your money. Make a little passive income on the side. Then we put $6 into PENN National Gaming, ticker PENN. The gaming sector is so hot right now. It's more valuable than gambling and the movie sectors combined. Gaming has really taken off. It's going to continue to explode. So definitely a good pick here with Pin Gaming for a long-term buy. Then we put $7 into Shake Shack. This is a food chain. I actually heard it from Mike Malak, from Logan Paul's friend on the night shift. Shake Shack is a California company. They do burgers. From what I've heard, you know, they're very good. A lot of people put them over like In-N-Out, Whataburger, and other burger chains like that. I personally love Whataburger. I'm from Texas, but I've never had Shake Shack to actually grade it. But a very profitable company, very popular in the social media space. So definitely a good long-term buy here. Then we put $8 into Simon Property Group. Simon Property Group is a real estate firm. They own a lot of shopping centers and malls. These things are going to be opening up full blast. You know, Texas just opened up 100%. So other states will follow suit as the vaccines and mask mandates are going away, things of that nature. And you will see very profitable gains this year for Simon Property Group. Then we put $9 into another Spider Select fund. This is focused in the healthcare sector, so you're going to get those the best healthcare companies all in one bundle. Healthcare is really booming. They're going to continue to make money, especially after the pandemic. A lot of people are focusing more on health than ever before. Then we put $10 in Marsh and McLennan. We put $11 in Teradyne. We put $12 in Allegiant Technologies. We put $13 in Medtronic. And those were my 20... oh no, we're not finished. Okay. I did purchase a little crypto on Coinbase. Graph, ticker GRT. Put in $15.40. So I did accumulate 8.5 coins of the Graph. Went ahead and put another $29 into the Cash App. We purchased $14 worth of CRISPR. CRSP, I believe, is the ticker. ARK Invest and Kathy Woods is very bullish on this stock here, and it is a great stock. Then we put $15 into Waste Management, ticker WM. Very great dividend play. Very good long-term investment. In the Robinhood, we went ahead and purchased ticker UWM. We put in $44 on this one, which is about 40% of a share. Then we put $45 into ticker PPLT, which is 42% of a share. We put $46 into UDOW, UDOW, which is 42% of a share. We put $47 into QSY, which is 44% of a share. And then we put $48 into OSK, which is Oshkosh. They just won the USPS deal. It's under review now, but I'm pretty sure they're still going to win it. That's the reason why Workhorse crashed, because they was riding on that catalyst. We did purchase 45% of a share here, as I do believe this company will get that contract in full, and the stock's going to go up some more. Then we purchased, finally, the last purchase of the day for stocks was ticker QLD. Put in $49, which is 45% of a share. Now we're going to get into the crypto that I bought. In the Robinhood, we purchased $6 worth of Bitcoin at around $48,000 strike price. We purchased $6 of Bitcoin Cash, which is 1% of a coin. It's sitting at about $4.94. We purchased $5 worth of BSV, Bitcoin BSV, which is 2% of a coin. It's around $181. Going back on Bitcoin, we do have 1% of a coin there. We have 19% of a Bitcoin Cash coin, and we have 0.67% of a BSV coin. Then we went ahead and made a deposit into the Acorns app. This here was in the IRA account. We put in $17. We went ahead and purchased $17 more of Bitcoin. Went ahead and purchased $17 of Litecoin, which is 9% of a coin. We do have 2.76 Litecoins. We bought in at around 176 on this purchase. Purchased about $17 more of Dogecoin. So we accumulated 338 more coins. We now have 33,665 coins. We bought this around half a cent per coin. We purchased $17 worth of Ethereum, which is 1% of a coin. We do have about 37% of an Ethereum coin. We purchased this around $1,400 strike price. Sorry, just 1 second. Then we went ahead and purchased $17 more worth of Ethereum Classic, which was 1.43 coins. We do have a little bit over 24 coins for Ethereum Classic. We purchased this around $11.85 strike price. Then in the Coinbase, we purchased $17 worth of SNX synthetic network, which gave us about 73% of a coin. In the Webull account, we purchased $17 more of Bitcoin. We purchased $17 more of Ethereum, $17 more of Litecoin, and $17 more of Bitcoin Cash, all in the Webull account. Then in PayPal, we purchased more Bitcoin. We purchased about 1% of an Ethereum coin. We purchased about 3% of Bitcoin Cash, and we purchased about 9% of Litecoin. Those were all made in the PayPal account. In the Crypto.com, we purchased 8% of a Binance token, BNB. We purchased a very small portion of Bitcoin in Crypto.com. We purchased 472 VeChain tokens, VET. Went ahead and put $19 into the Acorns portfolio, the regular portfolio. Went ahead and purchased a little bit of Bitcoin in the Cash App. Went ahead and purchased $17 more of BSV on the Robinhood app, which is about 9% of a coin. We have about 70% of a BSV. Our strike price on this purchase was $181.08. Then we went ahead and purchased about 65% of a Polkadot token, DLT, in the Crypto.com app. Back to Robinhood, we purchased $8 more of Ethereum. We're now sitting at 39% of a coin. We bought this at around $1,500. We purchased $7 more of Litecoin, which was 3% of a coin. We now have 2.8 Litecoins. We purchased another 140 Dogecoin for $7. We now have 34,003 Dogecoins. We purchased $7 more of Ethereum Classic, which was 58% of a coin. We have 24.84% of Ethereum coins. We put another $17 into the Acorns app. Purchased $17 more of Bitcoin Cash, which was 3% of a coin. We have 0.23% of a Bitcoin Cash coin. Back to Coinbase, we purchased $19 more of Bitcoin. Our value is now at $34.41. We purchased $19 more of Uniswap, UNI. We're now sitting at 1.19 tokens, around $32 worth. We purchased $19 more of Link, Chainlink, LINK, which is 1.13 coins. It's valued around $31. Then we purchased $17 more of Wrap Bitcoin, WBTCH, valued at $28.34. Purchased $19 more of Ethereum, ETH. We're sitting at 2% of Ethereum, valued at $30.01. We purchased $17 more of DAI. We have 27.85 tokens, valued at $27.89. We purchased $17 more of OMG Network. We now have 6.18 tokens, valued at $28.24. We purchased $19 of YFI, Herein Finance. It's valued at $29.57. We purchased $30 worth of Dash, DASH. We have 13% of a token, valued at $28.49. We purchased $19 more of Zcash, Zinc. We're now sitting at a quarter of a token, It's valued at $29.91. We purchased $19 more of Stellar. I'm sorry, Tezos ETZ. We're sitting at 1.11% of a token, valued at $30.06. We purchased $17 more of EOS. We got 7.37 coins, valued at $27.25. There goes Stellar. We purchased $19 more of Stellar. We now have 74.26 coins, valued at $29.75. We purchased $17 more of Bitcoin Cash. We're now sitting at 5% of a coin, valued at $28.25. We purchased $19 more of Litecoin. We have 17% of a coin. It's valued at $30.33. Purchased $32 of Ethereum Classic, which is 2.76 coins, valued at $29.85. We purchased $17 worth of AAVE, which is 4% of a token. It's valued at $15.43. We purchased $17 worth of ATOM. It's now valued at $15.42. Is 81% of a token. As you can see here, it pays out 5% APY for a holding stake in ATOM. We went ahead and deposited $566 into the Toro account. We purchased $25 worth of Bitcoin. We purchased $25 worth of Bitcoin Cash, which is about 5% of a coin. We purchased $34 worth of Ethereum, which is about 2% of a coin. We purchased $58 worth of TRX, which was about 1,148 coins. We purchased $34 worth of Zinc or Zcash, which is about 28% of a coin. We purchased $34 of EOS, which is 9.18% of a coin. We purchased $25 worth of Litecoin, which is 14% of a coin. We purchased $34 worth of Ethereum Classic, which is 3.07% of a coin. We purchased $25 worth of Dash, which is 12% of a coin. And those were all my crypto buys for the day. Taking a look at the Crypto.com account, our total balance is $68.31. As you can see, we got VeChain, Polkadot, Binance Coin, and Bitcoin. This is a look at the Coinbase account, valued at $525.94. As you see, we got Bitcoin, Uniswap, Chainlink, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Tezos, which pays a 4.63 APY. We got Ethereum, Stellar, Zcash, Year in Finance, Wrap Bitcoin, Dash, Bitcoin Cash. We got DAI, which pays a 2% APY. We got OMG Network, EOS, The Graph, AAVE, Synthetic Network, and Cosmos, which pays a 5% APY. Then in the PayPal account, our account is valued at $365.22. As you see, we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. That'll pretty much sum it up for all the buys I had for the crypto and the stocks, as well as some great stock picks for you guys. If you're interested in buying crypto, do your due diligence, research any of these coins or tokens that I purchased, and just be aware of the volatility. But I am a long-term bull, so volatility does not faze me at all, as I do have price target on a lot of these coins, and I see them going up a lot. And as well as the stock picks that I gave you guys and the stocks that I bought, do your due diligence, do your research, see if it's anything that you want to invest in for yourself, as I do have a long-term outlook on my purchases that I made here today. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey and continue to see me build my portfolio. I am still overall, in the green when it comes to all of my investments, even with this bloodbath of a market that we're having. This is the thumbnail to my last video. You want to check it out. Once again, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.